Are you looking for one of the best head shavers for a fast, smooth, and comfortable bald head shave? A reliable head shaver should provide close cutting performance, flexible contour following blades, strong battery life, easy handling, simple cleaning, and comfortable wet or dry operation. In this video, we've selected the 5 best head shavers of 2026 based on shaving speed, blade quality, scalp comfort, waterproofing, battery runtime, charging performance, included accessories, portability, ease of maintenance, and overall value. Whether you need a complete grooming kit for your head and body, a travel-friendly rotary shaver, or an advanced model with intelligent power adjustment, there's a suitable option on this list. Stay tuned until the end to discover which head shaver earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Groomie BaldiePro Cordless Head Shaver Kit. Starting our list at number 5 is the Groomie BaldiePro, a cordless rotary shaver designed for bald heads, facial grooming, and quick body touch-ups. Its 5 flexible shaving heads follow the contours of the scalp to improve skin contact and help deliver a close, even shave. Groomie's smooth shave technology works with a 10,000 RPM motor, and the company claims the shaver can complete a head shave in around 3 minutes. The IPX7 waterproof design supports both wet and dry shaving, including use in the shower. Its ergonomic palm-sized handle provides a secure grip, while the travel lock helps prevent accidental activation inside a bag. A lithium-ion battery delivers up to 90 minutes of cordless use per charge. The complete kit includes a precision trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, exfoliation brush, pre-shave massager, 3, 5, and 7 mm guards, charger, and accessory adapter. The shaving blade can also be removed with one click for easier cleaning. Pros: 5 flexible rotary shaving heads, wet and dry IPX7 waterproof design, up to 90 minutes of battery life, large selection of grooming accessories, travel lock and LED display, easy removable blade system. Cons: replacement blade is needed after approximately 60 shaves. The full kit may include more accessories than basic users need. A perfectly smooth result may require multiple passes. Overall, the Groomie BaldiePro offers versatile grooming attachments, strong battery life, and a generous accessory package, making it our number 4 pick for the best head shavers of 2026. Number 4. Freebird FlexSeries Electric Head and Body Shaver. Coming in at number 4 is the Freebird FlexSeries, a rechargeable rotary shaver designed for the scalp, face, back, chest, groin, and other body areas. Its 5-blade rotary head follows the contours of the head and body to provide a close shave using gentle circular movements. For longer or thicker hair, users can first trim it with the included precision clipper and choose between the 3, 5, and 7 mm guards. The full grooming kit also includes a nose and ear trimmer, exfoliation brush, massage pad, cleaning brush, and USB charging cable. A 90-minute charge provides up to 90 minutes of cordless use, making it convenient for home grooming and travel. The ergonomic shape supports one-handed control, while the shaver can be used for dry shaving or gentle wet shaving with shaving cream, gel, or oil. However, the listing gives conflicting water resistance guidance, so users should avoid submerging it or placing it under high-pressure water. Pros: 5-blade rotary shaving head, up to 90 minutes of cordless use, 5 versatile grooming attachments, suitable for the head and body, 3-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: replacement blade is recommended every 4 weeks. Water resistance claims are inconsistent. Sensitive areas require careful, low-pressure use. Overall, the Freebird FlexSeries delivers versatile full-body grooming, strong battery life, and a generous accessory package, making it our number 4 pick for the best head shavers of 2026. Number 3. Remington BaldiePro XR7000 Head Shaver. Taking the 3rd spot is the Remington BaldiePro XR7000, a cordless rotary shaver designed for fast scalp shaving, beard detailing, and light body grooming. Its 5 dual-track rotary blades provide broad coverage, allowing the shaver to remove hair with fewer passes. Remington claims it can shave an entire head in under 2 minutes. A pivoting neck and flexible stainless steel blades follow the contours of the scalp to improve contact and help reduce irritation. The built-in hair capture chamber collects trimmed hair during use, helping keep bathroom counters and sinks cleaner. Its fully waterproof construction supports both wet and dry shaving, so users can shave with foam or gel in the shower and rinse the unit under running water afterwards. A rechargeable lithium battery provides up to 50 minutes of cordless runtime. The compact design also includes a travel lock and a pop-up trimmer for cleaning up sideburns, edges, and other detailed areas. Pros: 5 dual-track rotary blades, fast head shaving performance, built-in hair capture chamber, fully waterproof for wet or dry use, pop-up detail trimmer, 3-year limited warranty. Cons: shorter 50-minute runtime than some competitors, mainly designed for short scalp hair, fewer grooming attachments than full kits. Overall, the Remington BaldiePro XR7000 offers fast shaving, easy cleanup, and dependable waterproof performance, making it our number 3 pick for the best head shavers of 2026.
Number 2. Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro GX5. Taking the number 2 spot is the Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro GX5, a cordless rotary shaver designed for bald heads, facial shaving, and convenient grooming at home or while traveling. Its 4 flexible rotary blades follow the contours of the scalp and face, helping maintain close contact for a smoother shave. The upgraded motor is designed to deliver faster performance, while the ergonomic shape allows the shaver to be held comfortably from different angles. The waterproof design supports both wet and dry shaving, allowing users to shave quickly without products or use water, foam, or gel for added comfort. Skull Shaver's Pro blades are designed to reduce nicks, cuts, razor burn, and irritation, although results will still depend on hair length and shaving technique. A rechargeable battery provides up to 90 minutes of cordless runtime, and the LED display shows the remaining power level. The package also includes a premium travel case and charger, making the GX5 easy to store and transport. Overall, the Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro GX5 combines strong shaving performance, comfortable handling, long battery life, and travel-friendly convenience, making it our number 1 pick for the best head shavers of 2026. Number 1. Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro 5000 Series. Taking the number 1 spot is the Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro 5000 Series, a rechargeable rotary shaver for men and women who want a close, comfortable scalp shave. Its fully flexible head rotates 360 degrees to follow the shape of the scalp and maintain consistent skin contact, including around difficult areas. The shaving system uses 36 self-sharpening comfort cut blades that trim hair just above skin level for a smooth, even finish. The Power Adapt sensor checks hair density up to 125 times per second and automatically adjusts power as it moves across thicker or thinner areas. An ergonomic body provides a secure grip, while the built-in hair collection system helps reduce mess during use. The shaver provides up to 60 minutes of cordless operation after a 1-hour charge. A 5-minute quick charge supplies enough power for 1 shave. Its IPX7 water-resistant design supports wet or dry use, and the travel lock helps prevent accidental activation. Pros: fully flexible 360-degree shaving head, 36 self-sharpening comfort cut blades, automatic Power Adapt density sensor, wet and dry shaving support, 5-minute quick charge function, hair collection system, and travel lock. Cons: power adapter is not included. Shorter runtime than some 90-minute models, mainly designed for scalp shaving rather than full-body grooming. Overall, the Philips Norelco Head Shaver Pro 5000 series delivers the best combination of contour-following comfort, intelligent power adjustment, quick charging, and reliable scalp shaving performance, making it our number 1 pick for the best head shavers of 2026.